Applied Imaging is the Midwest's premier independently owned provider of document imaging technology, managed IT, and network services. A LiveWall Living Wall greets customers as they enter the company's new office. The green wall is a lively introduction to the company's values and corporate culture that displays the essential elements of success at Applied Imaging. Applied Imaging's green wall is a living mural. The LiveWall system's planner design made it simple to affix colorful signs featuring the company's elements for success. For example, FN for fun, DR for dream, and CM for community. A printed sign near the living wall presents and defines all the elements. The Applied Imaging team visited many companies around the area to get ideas for their new lobby and reception area. When they saw a LiveWall green wall on one of their visits, they felt that employees, vendors, and customers would enjoy and appreciate a living wall greening up Applied Imaging's lobby. The 198 square foot living wall is 9 feet tall and 22 feet long. In total, it includes 98 LiveWall modular planter boxes, which are home to a mix of 6 different tropical plants, chosen for their ability to thrive indoors. The light fixtures above the green wall use LiveWall Norb, NutriOrb bulbs, a specialized white light LED grow bulb that provides the light spectrum and light nutrition plants need, while giving off a color tone that is comfortable for everyday use. At LiveWall, we are thrilled to be a part of Applied Imaging's exciting new office. This unique application shows that the natural environment and cutting-edge technology can integrate seamlessly to create a revolutionary environment.